All right, guys. So I just caught one. I'm gonna post a video right now, but check this out. So I just casted out. Okay, we going with half a crab and another one live mullet, and I had one more rod. I said, man, you know what? Let me check. It was not biting. And earlier I seen some guys catching some, and some other gentleman told me he caught one. I said, you know what? I'm gonna try cut mullet. So I had got live mullet. I cut the in half. It was pretty big mullet. Cut it in half. Put the head on this other one. I just casted it out. And I was starting to walk over there with my dad and my brother, and slacked up. Came, damn, it didn't hook up. So I brought it in, threw it again, did it the same. And then here's the video, and this is the second time I didn't reel it in real fast. I just kind of let it for a while. You'll check it out. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Hope this helps, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah. Can you hold this for a second? Just grab it from right here because it's kind of...
Okay.
Man, I have to let it hook up. I'm gonna think I'm gonna let it run.
Try to cut it off. The weight don't hurt yourself.
I'm gonna let it run.
Yeah, that's valuable right there.
Hey.
Get hit?
Yeah.
This thing's gone.
You want to run though.
What?
The spring is doing the set. It's like playing with it.
Like a drum, maybe. Black. Look black drum.
Ran again or what?
It loosened up again. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Appreciate it.
I'm gonna try to take it down there.
Where?
Right there where we can go down to the bottom.
Yeah, it's because it's kind of messed up here.
I go under it.
Here.
Go under it.
You go under it?
Got it?
Um, You gonna be able to go down there? Yeah. Well, you should have gave me the rod. Here. Got it right there. Here, just give me the rod. All right, go ahead. Just watch your step, dude.
It's slippery down there.
Yeah.
I was down there earlier.
Yeah, it's slippery. Watch out. All right. Now the tricky part.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Here. Right there. Yep. Don't trip on the line.
Already had one hit the place. I don't want to know.
Yeah. You got your board, right?
$38. Yeah, 38.
Good job.
You can just keep recording me.
Yeah.
I'll figure this out later.
Very good. All right.
All right, let me get it down there.
What was it?
38.
I'm gonna pause it now, Joe. What do you want to?
Yeah, I got my personal best this morning, 42 inch.
42 inch.
Yeah, 35 pounds, man. He was a hog.
Be careful. Want me to hold it for you?
I just made me a board last night, too.
Did you?
What's that heater? 'Cause I see now the other part of it.
Yeah, I was gonna use it, but it didn't get that close. It ain't nothing.
Yeah. See, if I try to do that, I'll kill myself down there. My brother has a teenager's body.
Charlie, you want to throw it down?
Just push them out. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. All right.